Generate an image of a woman dancing ballerina on a stage. While the images look realistic, let's ask something different. Create an image of a pig eating noodles. Look at the level of clarity this image has. Let's ask something weird. Generate an image of a chicken holding a gun in cowboy suit. Awesome, this is really good. Alright, time to put Grok's coding skills to the test. I've copied this code. Let's run it and check the output. The UI looks clean and simple, so let's play around with it. First, I'll add a task by typing task 1 and hitting the add task button. Boom. It's there. Now let's see if deleting works. Pressing the delete button. Poof. Task 1 has vanished. Nice. So far, so good. Grok isn't just smart, it's got functional code too. Wondering why I'm diving deep into Grok 3? Well, here's the big scoop. Grok 3 is free for a limited time. XAI officially dropped the news on their X page, and let's dive deep into the abilities of the Grok 3. So, if you've been waiting to test it out, now's your chance, before it disappears behind a paywall. Alright, buckle up because this is the only Grok intro you'll ever need. First things first, how do you access Grok 3? If you have X, you can use Grok directly within X. Just open the app and it's right there waiting for you. You can also access Grok through grok.com. Simply open your web browser, type Grok in the search bar, and click on the x.ai link from the results. Once you're on the page, find the Grok option in the top left corner and click it. Then hit Try Now, sign in, and you're all set to explore what Grok can do. We have two major models called Deep Search like ChatGPT's Deep Research and Think like DeepSeek's Deep Think. Below that we have other options like Research, Brainstorm, Analyze Data, Create Images and Code. Then from this drop-down we can easily choose our models like Grok 3 or Grok 2. Make sure to enable the Enable Search option, so Grok can surf the web when needed. That little ghost icon in the top left? It's not there to haunt you, it's actually the button for turning on temporary chat. If you click the icon right next to it, you'll find your entire chat history neatly stored. But wait, there's more. This menu also lets you start a temporary chat, switch between different AI models, and even change the theme to match your vibe. Using this search bar, you can search among your chats. Let's see why Grok is called the smartest AI on the planet. Grok 3 is the highest-ranked AI in the LMSWS arena with more than 1,400 arena score points. In AIME, which is a mathematics examination, Grok 3 has significantly outperformed GPT-3 Mini with a difference of 6.8. And Grok was leading in AIME 2024 edition also, where DeepSeek R1 has acquired only 79.8, which is far less than Grok's 93.3. As you can see, Grok has the highest score in the next benchmark, which is GPQA. Then at coding, which is an important factor for developers like us, Grok has scored 79.4, and at last in multimodal understanding, Grok was beaten by ChatGPT-01. Though Grok has outperformed other AIs, this is not gonna last forever. Because in the upcoming days, ChatGPT is planning to release GPT-5, so these results are not final. But at the moment, Grok is leading the pack, outshining its competitors in performance. Here's the catch, it won't stay free forever. So, take full advantage of this opportunity while you can. Whether you want to develop, code, or dive deep into research, now is the perfect time to explore everything Grok has to offer before the paywall kicks in. At last, let me showcase the deep search feature of Grok 3. I am gonna say, can you provide a comprehensive overview of quantum computing, including its principles, the main quantum algorithms, and potential applications? Also, explain how quantum computing differs from classical computing, and what challenges need to be overcome for it to become mainstream. Make sure to turn on the deep search option. It took only 35 seconds to come up with the reply. I asked this question only to show you a demo, and I don't want to bore you guys by explaining these. But I just want to show you how good the Grok is. And the major advantage is that Grok's knowledge is not limited. This means that Grok 3 has live data, and it is also trained with a Colossus computer, which is the largest AI supercomputer with more than 200,000 interconnected NVIDIA GPUs. That's it guys, use this opportunity. Comment your experience with Grok 3 below. If you find this video helpful, consider liking and subscribing. See you in the next video.